I'm back with the another video which is on Principles of Management by Henri Fayol. This is a very important topic from your exam point of view as well as management point of view. Right? Now 14 principles of Henri Fayol. Henri Fayol has contributed lot many things to the management. He wrote one book with the name Industrial and General Administration, which got published in the year 1916, in which he wrote 14 principles to management. Because of principle, the management is also called as science, as we have already seen by the Mary Parker Follett, who said that management is an art as well as science. Sciences because the management need to follow 14 principles of management. Principles mean certain rules and regulation has to be followed, so that is why making the management principles as science. First principle deals with division of work. If the work is divided among the team members as per their area of specialization, it leads to doing the work with the great precision and ensuring the timely completion of the work. So division of work leads to specialization as well as the timely completion of the work. Second one, authority and responsibility. Authority means decision-making power. Students, keep in mind, authority means decision-making power, and responsibility means you are responsible to perform certain tasks. The task which is given by the authority, superior, makes your obligation on your part. Create obligation on your part becomes your responsibility, right? So authority means decision-making power and responsibility means performing the task on time. So task becomes your responsibility. There should be a balance between authority and responsibility. If authority is more than the responsibility, the person may misuse the authority. If the responsibility is more than the authority, the person may feel frustrated in this situation. So within the organization, there should be a balance between authority and responsibility. Next comes the discipline. Student, mere following of timetable means discipline. The teacher comes on time and goes on time. But what she is doing, she is telling students, you do your work, I'll do my work. Is this a disciplined behavior by the teacher? No. Doing the work on time, the dedication and commitment towards your work, taking the responsibility of your work, known as discipline. So in a shorter way, you can write two terms indicating discipline is dedication and commitment on the part of employee to ensure the completion of work is known as discipline. Next one is unity of command. Command means instruction. Student, keep this in your mind. Instruction. The instruction should be coming from one boss. If you have many boss over you, the instruction should come at one time from the one superior only. If at the same time you are getting instruction from too many bosses, it may create chaos. It may create confusion in your mind. So better to have one superior giving instruction at one time. It is also said that too many cooks spoil the soup. If there are too many cooks giving instruction to add this, that can create mess and you'll end up having a soup which is not tasty. Next one is unity of direction. Direction means giving instruction to a team who is doing similar kind of activities. So here the same direction should be given to a team who is doing a similar kind of activity. Say for example, for a picture, all the employees, all the cast of the pictures of one picture is directed by one director only. So they have the one motto, one aim to complete the picture. So they are directed by one director only. Next one, subordination of the interest. Subordination means you have to provide the hierarchy for your interest. It is believed that being an employee, the interest of the organization should come first than your personal interest, right? So whatever the work given to you, perform with the best interest of your organization, and afterwards see your own interest. Next one, remuneration. It is believed that management should give fair wages, that is, fair wages and salary, that too on time. So, fair wages and salary you get in return for your service rendered, right? And wages are what, and salaries are what? Salaries are paid once in a month. The things which you get more than one time makes your wages. Wages are generally paid to the lowest level management people, and employees like the middle level gets the salaries. Next one is the centralization. Here you can also add centralization and decentralization. The matter which is most important for the organization, having a lot of cost involved. In case of failure, you may have losses. So better not to delegate those things. Keep that things in the hands of top management. Let them perform because it is most important. Need to be centralized. The things which are not important can be delegated, and this is known as decentralized. So delegation is one form of decentralization, right? So there should be a balance between centralization and decentralization. No organization can be fully centralized, no organization can be fully decentralized. Next point talks about scalar chain. Scalar chain is talking about line of command. Line of command should be followed always, but sometime it can be break with the help of gangplank. Gangplank means with the help of bridge you can break the line of command. That command should be coming from whom? Yes, from the superior to subordinate. Its flow should be downward, but the flow can be break with the help of gangplank. If you have a boss and right now he is not there, you can be guided by the other department superior, because your present superior is not there, so you are guided by the other superior from the other department. So your line of command is break with the help of the bridge. Next one is order. Order means everything within the organization has got their own place, and it is the duty of the manager to ensure everything must be in its own place. Order means sequence, right? Next one, equity. Equity means it is nothing to do with equity shares over here, student. Equity means equal treatment to all, equal justice to all, irrespective of their social and economic condition they enjoy within the organization and in the society. Irrespective of that, you have to treat everybody equally. Next one, stability of tenure. Being a manager, this is your duty. After some year, you have to make your contractual people a permanent staff. Otherwise, they will not feel the belongingness. They will not work in honest manner. Next one, initiative. Being a manager, this is your responsibility, and this is also a concept related to modern management, professional management, where you are taking a participation, the initiative of the employees in decision making process, right? Initiative means taking participation by the employees in decision making process. Aspirate D Corp is nothing but the teamwork. So within the organization, the work is always performed within a team, with the people, with the employees having different diverse kind of skills acquired. They perform the work in a team, right? Teamwork has many advantages to the organization. So every work, every task is being divided among team, and it is performed among team. Thank you.